Bees are more than just buzzing insects. They are essential workers in the natural world. They play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Without bees, our world would be a drastically different place. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors of flowers or the sweet taste of honey. Bees are crucial for pollinating a vast array of plants. This includes many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we rely on for food. They are the unsung heroes of agriculture, contributing billions of dollars to the global economy. Their tireless work ensures the reproduction of countless plant species. This sustains biodiversity and supports entire ecosystems. The buzzing of bees is a soundtrack of life. It signifies a healthy and thriving environment. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, hold immense power. They shape our world in profound ways. Their importance cannot be overstated. We must understand and appreciate their crucial role. From the smallest wildflower to the largest agricultural operation, bees are essential. Their presence is a sign of a vibrant and productive ecosystem. We must work together to protect these vital pollinators. Our future and the future of our planet depends on it. Let us delve into the fascinating world of bees. Let us discover the secrets of their success and the challenges they face. Imagine a grocery store with bare shelves. No apples, no almonds, no coffee. This is the stark reality of a world without bees. These tiny creatures are responsible for pollinating a third of the food we eat. Their absence would have devastating consequences for global food security. Wildflowers would struggle to reproduce, forests would dwindle, the loss of bees would trigger a chain reaction, the diversity of plant life would diminish. Our planet would become a much less hospitable place. We must not allow this dystopian vision to become reality. The future of our food supply depends on it. Pollination is a remarkable process, a delicate dance between plant and pollinator. Bees collect nectar and pollen, transferring pollen from one flower to another. This fertilizes plants, enabling them to produce seeds and fruits. It's a symbiotic relationship, a win-win for both bee and blossom. The bee acts as a living pollen transport. This simple act is essential for countless plant species. It is the foundation of our food supply and biodiversity. We must protect these vital pollinators. The dance of pollination is a symphony of nature. Bees are not just essential for the environment, they are also economic powerhouses. Their contribution to global agriculture is estimated to be in the hundreds of billions of dollars annually. They pollinate a vast array of crops, from almonds and apples to blueberries and cucumbers. Without bees, farmers would face significantly reduced yields. The cost of hand pollination, a labor-intensive and inefficient alternative, would be astronomical. The economic impact of bee decline would be felt across the globe, affecting food prices and livelihoods. The agricultural industry relies heavily on the free services provided by bees. These tiny creatures are essential for maintaining food security and economic stability. Their value extends far beyond the honey they produce. They are the backbone of our agricultural system. Investing in bee conservation is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic necessity. Protecting these vital pollinators is crucial for ensuring a stable and sustainable food supply. We must recognize the economic power of bees and take steps to protect their future. Section 5. Beyond honeybees, exploring the bee diversity. While honeybees are the most well-known pollinators, they are just one species among thousands. The world is teeming with a diverse array of bees, each with its own unique role to play in the ecosystem. From bumblebees to carpenter bees, these unsung heroes contribute to the pollination of countless plant species. Bumblebees, with their fuzzy bodies and gentle hum, are particularly effective pollinators. They are capable of buzz pollination, a technique that vibrates the flower to release pollen. This is essential for certain crops such as tomatoes and blueberries. Solitary bees, unlike honeybees, live alone and do not produce honey. They are often overlooked, but they are incredibly efficient pollinators. They play a crucial role in maintaining the diversity of wild plants. Their contribution to the ecosystem is invaluable. Understanding the diversity of bee species is crucial for effective conservation efforts. We must protect not just honeybees, but the entire spectrum of bee life. Each species contributes to the intricate tapestry of nature. Their diversity is essential for a healthy and resilient ecosystem. Section 6. The silent spring threats to bee populations. Bee populations around the world are facing unprecedented threats. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change are all contributing to their decline. This is a cause for serious concern not just for the bees themselves, but for the entire ecosystem. Habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural intensification is depriving bees of their foraging grounds. Without access to diverse sources of pollen and nectar, bees struggle to survive. Their decline has a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Pesticide use, particularly neonicotinoids, is devastating bee populations. These chemicals, designed to kill pests, also harm beneficial insects like bees. They disrupt their navigation, impair their foraging ability, and weaken their immune systems. Climate change is exacerbating these threats. Changing weather patterns, extreme temperatures, and increased frequency of droughts are all impacting bee populations. The combined effect of these threats is creating a perfect storm for bees. Section 7. A call to action protecting our pollinators. The decline of bee populations is a wake-up call. We must take action to protect these vital pollinators before it's too late. Every individual can play a role in ensuring the survival of bees. Even small actions can make a big difference. Creating bee-friendly habitats in our gardens and backyards is a simple yet effective way to support bee populations. Planting a diverse array of flowering plants provides bees with the food and shelter they need to thrive. Native plants are particularly beneficial. Reducing or eliminating pesticide use is crucial for protecting bees. Opting for organic gardening practices and supporting farmers who prioritize sustainable agriculture helps create a safer environment for bees. Every little bit helps. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of bees is essential. Spreading awareness about the threats they face and the solutions available empowers individuals to take action. Knowledge is power. Section 8. Creating bee-friendly habitats. Gardens of Eden. Transform your garden into a haven for bees by planting a diverse array of flowering plants. Choose a variety of colors, shapes, and bloom times to attract different bee species. Native plants are especially beneficial as they are adapted to the local climate and provide the specific nutrients bees need. Provide a water source for bees. A shallow dish filled with water and pebbles allows bees to drink without drowning. This simple addition can make a big difference, especially during hot weather. Bees need water just like any other living creature. Leave some areas of your garden undisturbed. Bare patches of soil provide nesting sites for ground nesting bees. Avoid tilling the soil excessively, as this can disrupt their nests. Creating a natural habitat is essential. Avoid using pesticides and herbicides. These chemicals can be harmful to bees and other beneficial insects. Opt for organic gardening practices to create a safe and healthy environment for pollinators. Protecting bees means protecting our environment. Section 9. Pesticides, the silent killers. Pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids, are among the greatest threats to bee populations. These systemic insecticides are absorbed by plants and can contaminate pollen and nectar, posing a serious risk to bees. They disrupt their navigation, impair their foraging ability, and weaken their immune systems. Reducing or eliminating pesticide use is crucial for protecting bees. Opt for organic gardening practices whenever possible. Support farmers who prioritize sustainable agriculture and avoid using harmful chemicals. Choose organic produce whenever available. Educate yourself about the different types of pesticides and their impact on bees. Read labels carefully and choose products that are bee-friendly. Advocate for stricter regulations on the use of harmful pesticides. Your voice matters. Support research into alternative pest control methods that do not harm bees. Encourage the development and adoption of sustainable agricultural practices that protect both crops and pollinators. Investing in research is investing in the future. Section 10. Supporting sustainable beekeeping practices. Supporting local beekeepers who prioritize sustainable practices is another way to protect bee populations. Choose honey from beekeepers who prioritize the health and well-being of their bees over maximizing honey production. Buy local honey whenever possible. Learn about the challenges facing beekeepers and advocate for policies that support sustainable beekeeping practices. Encourage research into bee diseases and pests, and support the development of effective treatments. Beekeepers play a vital role in maintaining healthy bee populations. Educate yourself about the different types of honey and their unique properties. Appreciate the diversity of flavors and textures that reflect the different floral sources and beekeeping practices. Honey is a gift from nature. Support organizations that promote bee conservation and research. Donate to organizations working to protect bee habitats and promote sustainable beekeeping practices. Every contribution helps. Section 11, Hope for the Future, a bee-beautiful vision. The future of bees, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our collective action. By working together, we can create a world where bees can thrive, ensuring a healthy and vibrant ecosystem for generations to come. The challenge is great, but the rewards are even greater. Imagine a world where every garden is a haven for bees, where wildflowers bloom in abundance, and where the buzz of bees is a constant reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature. This is the future we must strive for. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing pesticide use, supporting sustainable beekeeping practices, and educating others, we can all contribute to the conservation of these vital pollinators. The future of bees is in our hands. Let us embrace this responsibility and work together to create a bee-beautiful vision for the future. The time for action is now.